India's Make in India initiative has gained momentum in recent years, with manufacturing employment rebounding post-financial year 19 and significant export growth, particularly in electronics. The PLI schemes have generated 9 lakh jobs and boosted production and exports. Yet manufacturing shares of GDP remain steady at 16 to 17%. The government aims to raise this to 25%, strengthening India's global manufacturing competitiveness. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation data shows the manufacturing sector shares of India's GDP remained relatively stable over the past decade, fluctuating between 16% and 17%. Between financial year 12 and financial year 19, the share stayed around 16.0% to 16.8%, peaking at 17% in financial year 21 and 22, likely due to the economic rebound after the COVID-19 pandemic. However, by financial year 23 and financial year 24, it fell back to around 16%. According to the RBI data, it illustrates that employment in India's manufacturing sector remained relatively flat from financial year 14 to financial year 20, fluctuating between 54.5 million and 56 million. However, after the pandemic, there was a sharp increase in manufacturing employment, rising to 56.98 million in financial year 21, 61.11 million in financial year 22, and reaching 63.13 million in financial year 23. So this suggests that the bulk of employment gains in manufacturing occurred post-pandemic, likely driven by recovery efforts and increased industrial activity. The data indicates a notable shift in employment trends with significant job growth in the sector over the last 3 financial years. The data highlights the impact of production-linked incentive schemes as of November 2023. These schemes have generated employment for 9 lakh people. In terms of production, the schemes have contributed to output valued at Rs 9 lakh crore. Additionally, exports resulting from the PLI initiatives have reached 4 lakh crore. This demonstrates the effectiveness of the PLI schemes in boosting industrial output, creating jobs and enhancing exports, aligning with India's goal to increase manufacturing competitiveness and global presence. The figure underscores the growing momentum of these government-led initiatives in transforming India's manufacturing sector. The Make in India scheme has started showing some benefits over the last 2-3 years. Employment in the manufacturing sector, which had contracted till financial year 18, started picking up in financial year 19 and gathered pace post-introduction of the PLI program. Similarly, export benefits in areas like electronics have started showing in the last 3 to 4 years. Electronic exports are now the 3rd largest export from the country and have risen nearly 4 times in a decade. The share of manufacturing has remained constant around 16 to 17% during this period. With that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and Money Control's YouTube channel.